Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about lateral and total surface area of a cylinder. So for our first example here, it says calculate the lateral surface area of the cylinder. And if I look at my formula chart, I can go to surface area, cylinder, lateral, and it tells me S equals 2 pi RH. All right, so looking at my picture, I need to pick out my radius and my height. So my radius of this circle only goes halfway across the circle. So if all the way is 8, I know that half of 8 is 4. So my radius is going to be 4. And my height is my distance between my two bases. So the circles are my bases, and it looks like right here, that distance between the top circle and the bottom circle is 2. So now I have the information I need. I can plug it in. 2 pi, and then we said our radius was 4, so times 4, and our height is 2. So now when I go to my calculator, I'm just going to plug in 2 times pi times 4 times 2, and my lateral surface area is going to be 50.265, but we are going to round to the hundredths place, so that 5 tells me to add 1. So the surface area is 50 and 27 hundredths. And these are feet, and they are squared. Okay. So for the next problem, it says, what is the total surface area of the cylinder? So looking at my formula chart, surface area, cylinder, total, I get S equals 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R squared. So just like in example 1, I am going to look at my picture and find my radius and my height. So my radius is going to be 10 centimeters, and my height, remember, that's my distance between my bases. So my distance there is 9 centimeters as my height. Now that I have my information, I can plug it in. So 2 times pi times radius, which was 10, times my height, which is 9, plus 2 pi times my radius squared. And we said radius was 10 squared. Okay. So now all we need to do is plug into our calculator, and we can plug all of this in at one time. So I can do 2 pi times 10 times 9 plus 2 pi times 10, that says minus, times 10 squared. All right, so this tells me that my total surface area is 1,193.805, but we are going to round to that hundredths place again, and that 5 does tell me to round up. So my surface area is 1,193 and 81 hundredths, and these are centimeters squared.